Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Afterpay on Expedia. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this tutorial right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the Afterpay website like I'm on here, and you just want to type in the search bar Expedia. Now you should see Expedia pop up under stores, and then when you search for it you should see it here, the first result. So what you can do from here is just click on it, and then it will actually redirect you to the Expedia website. But as we can see at the top, it does actually have this little Afterpay banner. And this shows that although we are on the Expedia website, it is being run through Afterpay. And when we go to make the payment at the end, it will go through our Afterpay account. So I'm just doing a test booking here, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like when you get to the end and you're looking to pay. So when you do get to this bit where you're filling out this form, as you can see, under payment method, it is automatically on Afterpay. And as you can see here, it does say you will be directed to Afterpay's website to securely complete your payment. So as long as your payment method is actually selected on Afterpay, it will go through Afterpay. You do want to check this as you pay, because for some reason it may be on debit card or something and you may have to switch it. But as long as you clicked the Expedia link through Afterpay, it should automatically be like this when you go to pay on the payment method. So that is exactly how you can use Afterpay on Expedia. This can be really useful for booking things because it allows you to just book it now and you can just pay later when you don't have to worry about it as much. So if you did find this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.